Welcome to the Daily Affirmation. We are honored you are here and choosing to nurture your healing. Your body knows how to heal and restore itself. You are patient and compassionate with your recovery. Your wounds are becoming scars of strength. You are releasing pain and inviting peace. Your heart is mending and becoming whole. You deserve to feel healthy and vibrant. Your healing is a journey, and you are progressing. You release what no longer serves you. You forgive yourself and others completely. Your body is becoming stronger and healthier. You are supported by love and healing energy. Your emotional wounds are transforming into wisdom. You trust in your capacity to recover and thrive. You are gentler with yourself than ever before. Your past does not define your future. You are creating new, healthy patterns. Your wholeness is already within you. You attract people and circumstances that support healing. You honor your body and its needs. You are worthy of complete health and happiness. Save this video and return whenever healing feels hard. These words are here for you. Subscribe and know that you are never alone in your journey.